Hello, Firdevs. Welcome to
Hello.
Domaine Macky.
Thank you.
Can you please introduce yourself to us?
Sure. I am from the U.S. I came from Michigan here for a short vacation. I have been visiting this region, and I heard great things, and I decided to stay here.
Oh, so nice to hear this. We are in a house which is here since more than 4 centuries in a forest in France, very far away from your home, Detroit, and from Istanbul, where you are from. So how do you feel here? Being so far from home, does it change your view about the world?
Definitely. I have been living in the U.S. for more than 27 years now, and everything is so new over here. And coming over here and seeing so much history and so much culture, it is definitely so refreshing and so different for me. In the U.S., the historic, maybe the oldest things are 200 years old, and here I am in a house for more than 4 centuries. So it is really wonderful, the history here.
Yeah. I also know that you are a big animal lover.
Yes, definitely.
How was it here?
Definitely. One thing that the first thing I realized here is that the birds chirping all the time. This is what first, when you come over here, you are in the nature. I was greeted by a little deer when I first arrived. And since then, of course, there are chickens and, the fish pond, and I saw a couple of horses. It has been great. I love the nature, of course.
Oh, so nice to hear. And how about your trips around? Have you been in the region? Visited anywhere?
Yes, this region is so beautiful. Alsace region, I have been visiting the wineries and those little historic towns, and they have been amazing. Everything is very close, and just discovering little eateries and dining places and wineries and this place, it has been a wonderful experience.
Oh, so nice. Yeah, it's very authentic, isn't it?
It is definitely.
The little fairy tale villages.
Definitely. France is like that, right? Every little house is so beautiful, and the flowers in the front, and the nature, of course, the beauty of it is just unbelievable. Yeah.
You look very fit.
Thank you.
I can imagine that you like practicing sports. And
I like hiking, and this area is great for hiking, and I have been walking every day. I cannot really say hiking, but definitely there are so many places to walk and see. So far I have been averaging around 20,000 steps a day, so that has been great. It is definitely very refreshing and feeling good. Definitely. There are a lot of places to see, and everything is walkable, and it's very nice so far.
Very nice. So just a few days, but it makes a big break, isn't it?
Yeah, because it's so different, right? Definitely, you kind of leave everything behind, and it is a totally different, atmosphere, and being in nature, of course, it definitely gives you peace and comfort, and definitely, helps you to get away from all of it. So
from a busy life,
definitely,
busy executive life.
definitely. So I forgot work for a couple of days, so that has been nice.
Very nice. Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you.
Very nice to hear this. Thanks for sharing with us, and hope to see
you.
you again here.
Thank you for the hospitality. I love it. Thank you.
We thank you. Thanks.